Okay, so there's this person I follow on Instagram and his makeup always looks so good. So I want to do a look a little inspired by him. I also feel like we look kind of similar in like non-obvious ways. I feel like this is a good person for me to try their makeup for. You see? But he always has like a really good blush on, and I don't wear blush, as we know from my last makeup video, so we're gonna try it. For my base, I'm wearing these two products. Another thing that's enabling me to do this is I got a PR package from Urban Decay, which is insane. I have a liquid blush from them. I have a setting spray, which I don't own a setting spray, so this is really exciting. They also gave me their Quickie concealer, but they gave it to me in 2 colors. So I'm gonna use the lighter color. They both kind of match my skin, but I'm just gonna use the lighter color. Normally I use this concealer from NARS, which is like, there's so much less of it in the bottle. I've definitely been wearing makeup more over the past couple months. Like if I'm going to like an event or like a party or something, I'm gonna put concealer on my cheeks because otherwise like the blush will just be too obvious. I talked about this last time. I just get like embarrassment, anxiety blushing, and it's worse if I know it's happening. So it's good to like have that like protective, like, no, it's fine, no one knows. One on this is like a honker on my nose. I just went to my first New York Fashion Week. It was so awesome. I think the thing I noticed is like I have trouble looking at people even when they're like performing for me or like for an audience. When they're performing for an audience, sometimes I have trouble like looking at them, so it just feels like too much to be looking at them. Part of something in me kind of healed in this experience because I like had permission to look at the models. You know, I was looking at their clothing, but like the whole point is you're looking at the clothing on the models. That's the whole point. Everyone's doing this. You're looking at them. Since I like don't give myself permission to look at people, that was just like a big deal to me. This concealer is like blending in really well. I was a little nervous about it just because like I'm always nervous about makeup products. I feel like this matches me maybe a little better than the NARS one actually, just because the NARS one is pretty pale and it's summer right now. When you do liquid blush, do you put your powder on for your face makeup first? I don't think so, right? Somebody give me a YouTube tutorial. I'll just put powder on at the end and hope for the best. Yeah, but that was like a surprising effect of that. Like I wasn't expecting it to be like a healing experience for me, you know, but it was awesome. This is the Hydro Maniac. Sorry, I'm talking about the products right now, but it's just exciting to me. Urban Decay was like a big deal in 2014 when I started watching YouTube. So this is in the shade Red Flag. This is perfect because I feel like the red blush is what this person uses. It's now or never. Panic blend. I feel like this blends out pretty well. This side is pretty good. You literally can't see it on camera. Maybe I'll do a little extra because I am filming. I think one thing I learned with my blush is that like I can't blend it down below a certain point on my face, like this point, because then you can like really see like the contours of my eye bags. Lesson learned about that. You literally can't see it on camera, but it looks good. I want to do some on my nose, so don't want to do too much. Now I need a powder. I know it's a lot of you guys don't wear makeup either, but if any of you have good powder recommendations that, you know, are a little lighter, like you can't really see them, I would really appreciate it. I feel like that looks really good and natural and cute. I feel cute. Next up, I don't know what he does for his eye makeup, but I'm just gonna do my eye makeup. Mainly the main inspo was the blush, so. Brown eyeliner. This is what I do. I just line the lower line. I mean, my Instagram has been like taking up a lot of my mind space because it is like more important for me to post consistently on there now because it is the platform with like the most supporters, and I feel like I just need management, to be honest. But at the same time, like YouTube has really fallen by the wayside for me. It's almost like I don't feel like anything I make will be a good YouTube video by today's YouTube video standards, like maybe like 4 years ago. But nowadays, like I don't know what people watch on YouTube because people aren't watching YouTube that much, and like I don't want to just be doing vlogs, and I don't want to be doing like self-help content. I guess I'm making fashion. I guess I should make fashion content. That is like my niche, technically. So I don't know. I'm in a big question mark phase, but what I do know is I want to be posting again, adding it back into the routine of my life. So I realize it's a lot easier for me to like engage in making stuff when it's part of a routine versus like I'm just like thinking about it and I'm like, oh, I should do this today. Oh no, like you know when to film, you know when to edit, blah, blah, blah. Okay, I feel like that looks good. I don't wear mascara anymore because it's a little too feminizing. I'm gonna put some of this on my lips. Actually, I'm gonna put it on my finger first. I don't want to put this on my mouth. Damn, it looks insane. Yeah, I like how that looks. I don't know, I kind of like don't love wearing lip products a lot of the time. It's funny on camera, it looks a little wonky, but I promise in real life it's cute. Okay, I have a little leftover blush, so I'm just gonna put that up here. Cool, I feel like I succeeded. I'll put some pictures with my phone so you can actually see what it looks like. This t-shirt's a little aggressive for you guys. I'm sorry. A little aggressive for our YouTube video. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next vlog.